Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to link your Instagram account with your TikTok account. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, now let's first go to our TikTok app. Let's open it. After that, to link your Instagram account with your TikTok account, you need to go to your profile. To do that, you can see the profile button on the bottom right corner of your phone. Just tap there, and after that you can see the edit profile button on the middle of your screen. Just tap there, and after that on the bottom of your screen you can see the Instagram option, which is under the social category. Tap on Instagram, and you will be taken to this interface. Now after reaching here, just input your Instagram login credentials correctly. Let's do that. And let's save it. Let's save info, and let's allow. And there guys, our Instagram account has been linked to our TikTok account, and it's this easy to link your TikTok account with your Instagram account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for supporting guys, and peace.